looking for a solution to the cup holder situation in the XKR. My car doesn't come with cup holders, so the different options are aftermarket ones that clip onto vents, which I don't like, upgrading to an original armrest, which is extremely expensive, around about £200 off of eBay is the best that I've found. But I have come up with another solution. I found it on Instagram, so I'll show you what I've come up with. So it's actually a modified armrest, original armrest. I'll show you the other side. It's all very neat. It won't intrude into the cubby hole either. Now these actually just push out, so you can take them out to clean them. And see where it's all been cut in there. Everything looks really good, nothing's sagging. At the bottom you can choose whichever emblem you want. There's around about 100 designs. I just chose the black cat because that's what I preferred and probably matched the interior of the car. You can have them without as well. But this refurbished armrest was basically half the price of one of the ones off eBay that have got the cup holders at the front, which always break. So to change it over, first you take out these 4 screws to remove the tray. That one's loose already. Yeah, that actually nicely removes that as well. That's cool. And to remove the sway arm, I don't know what you call it, a retaining arm, it's just a Torx screw. Into there. Thread it, but that's going in straight away, which is good. That's nice. Put in the 4 screws. Let's put ones in at the front first. Let's get the screwdriver bit. Now I won't tighten these all the way down, just means I can move it around slightly if I need to, which is always good practice. Let's see how easy these are to line up. we go. No, we don't. Okay, just tighten those all the way down. Be sure not to over tighten them. It's a common thing people do, at least the cracked plastics. Alright, let's see if we close. Okay, I think that's down too far, so we'll loosen this back up again. Let's try that. It's holding, but not great. Taking it a bit further up. There we go. So I've even got a cup to try in here. I think it works really well. It still retains the use of the armrest because people can put their arm either side.